upholstery, curtain and furniture restorations business, Dural, New South Wales. Established in 1997 and showing a profit of over $124,000 a year, this business offers an excellent local client base. The local area has great demand for upholstery, so the business could be grown in many different directions. Services include all types of domestic and commercial upholstery, curtains, marine and motor trimming. Clients include interior designers, tradesmen, local businesses and homeowners, and there's an excellent database. The business currently operates from a 4-bedroom house with good passing trade and easy drive-in access. An excellent business to run from home, it could easily be relocated to another property or leased premises. Assets include 2 Pantech trucks, a sign-written transit delivery van, sewing machines, workbenches, vinyl and leather stock and more. The business has not been performing at its full potential over the last few years due to the owner's health issues. This is an excellent investment for an individual or couple wanting to work from home or a workshop. This is also the perfect opportunity for anyone who is creative and has a flair for style, decorating and design.